Hello, welcome to my channel. And in this video series, we are discussing about aesthetics and ergonomics, and we are starting with the module field of use from the automobile vehicles. In this topic or this video, we will be discussing about the introduction and the definition of field of view. Now, what is field of view? The field of view is basically analysis of or the link between vehicle's interior design to its exterior design. Now, to elaborate that, the interior of package provides the driver's eye location and interior mirrors, and the exterior package is defined by the daylight openings, the windows, and the exterior mirrors. So, to find link between these two, we are basically deriving the field of view. Thus, the interior and exterior designs must be developed in the close coordination to assure that drivers can see all the needed field to drive their vehicles safely into the on the roads or in the environment. Okay. From this, we can define the field of view as the field of view is the extent to which the driver can see 360-degree around the vehicle in terms of up and down, that is the vertical or the elevation angles, and left and right, that is horizontal and azimuth angles of the driver line of sight to different objects outside of the vehicle. Now, when we talk about this 360 degrees field of view, there are few obstacles in the design of the vehicle itself. So, some parts of driver's visual fields are obstructed due to the vehicle structure and the components. Now, what are those components? The structure of vehicle will consist of pillars, mirrors, instrument panels, steering wheel, hood, lower edge of the window openings. All these things will affect my field of view. So the location and ergonomics of field of view should be such that the driver is able to see maximum of the vehicles around the driving vehicle. Okay, so that is what the field of view is. That's all about this video. If you like this content, do subscribe my channel and please follow this playlist for more videos related to field of view. Thank you for joining.